Listen, you guys, Web3 doesn't have to be boring, complicated, or stuck in Twitter threads. What if the next viral crypto podcast, market update, and educational series came from one powerhouse ecosystem? It's a great question. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to none other than Hello Labs. And I need you guys to understand they are changing the game, especially whenever it comes to, crypto for one. But not only that, you guys, we're talking about podcasts, we're talking about streaming, we're talking about filming, we're talking about TV, just in general. They are doing big things. All right, so if we actually take a look here, we're going to be diving down into what is known as Hello Media, which technically is the content arm of Hello Labs. All right. Now, if we kind of scroll down here, you guys are going to see where Web3 stories go global. I mean, that is true, right? Media, you guys. Media is big. All right. So technically, they are delivering nonstop crypto content for real users, right? We're talking about anything from we got podcasts. We even have live streams, we have educational deep dives, and a lot more. They even have weekly, okay, listen here, they have weekly spaces, right, on X. So weekly X spaces, and they have podcasts with top founders and builders across, let's say, DeFi. Let's talk about like Bitcoin. Let's talk about crypto in general. You guys, they have it here, all right, which is actually really cool. So if we kind of scroll down, you guys can see right here, they have their distribution reach, you guys. So technically, Hello Labs has the biggest TV show in crypto with 600 million plus reach, you guys, in over 55 countries. So 55 nations. You guys, I need you guys to understand that right there is big, okay? Now, there's even more media, as you guys kind of saw up here. There's even more media through their own channels like the Hello Crypto Podcast. They even have what is known as the Hello Club. So if we actually take a look here, I want you guys to understand they do have, there it is, Hello Club. So they do have more through here as well, right? So the Hello Club spaces. And they even have like Killer Whales spaces, okay, which is actually pretty big. They have over 1,000 plus organic audience. And you guys, the overall intention here, obviously, is to spread the message even more and to bring more insights to the crypto market, or let's just say the market in general, right? Very important here. So whenever it comes to Hello Labs, you guys, they buy third-party media channels, such as we got TokenEd. Okay, so if we actually take a look here, we got TokenEd right here. We can just kind of click there. But what is this? Well, technically, this is Hello's educational platform that is built for onboarding new Web3 users. I want you guys to understand that technically they have a consistent pulse of Web3 narratives they have their Killer Whales market updates. And you guys, they even have partnerships with likes of, say, CoinMarketCap. We got Altcoin Daily, which is pretty big as well. And then obviously the ultimate Snoop Doggy DAO, you guys, which is actually very important. Okay. So something else to kind of mention here, you guys. Whenever it comes to Hello Media, it is building premium shows and tools from inside the ecosystem. So this technically gives the Hello token actual utility beyond speculation. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys, we're talking about a community-first, content-driven, all by KOLs and founders. So technically, you guys, this curated content is based on their very own television show. We have what is known as Influx, VC Contacts, which is another important one, okay? VC, exchange access, right? But I also want you guys to understand they even have other ones, right? Exchange partners, okay? And direct collaborations with L1 Foundation, such as we got Spora right here, okay? Which is pretty big. ICP, they even have SUI, and they even have BNB as well. So we're talking about direct content to token loop. So we got education, we have awareness, and what is that going to cause? Well, token demand, all right? Everything from hot takes to how-tos, you guys, this all is in one entire ecosystem. So for example, you'll see right here, we got a protocol, Okay, talking about transaction utilities. And we have the media, as we've already briefly talked about, which is pretty big here. Okay. And then finally, you guys are going to see over here, we have what is known as Hello Growth. So, you guys, this is the overall plan here for this project. All right, which is pretty cool. So, remember, guys, Hello Media, you guys, it's not only just about content. Okay. It's a media flywheel that ties into Hello's larger mission across, as mentioned, we got DeFi, crypto, entertainment, and incubation. All right. So the overall market insights, you guys, they are shared across many different platforms. So, for example, you can see their official Twitter, right? We're even talking about like YouTube, and we're talking about podcasts, right? You'll even see right here for Killer Whales, which is pretty big on Hello Labs, right? Same thing here. We got a TV show. A lot of people love this, right? This thing is blown up like crazy, which is pretty cool. But I want you guys to also understand, I mean, technically this overall, say, highlights or let's say amplifies the incubator projects like OpenXAI, and we even have what is known as BlockGuard. So whenever it comes to Hello Inc., you guys need to understand that this supports the incubation funnel of the Hello ecosystem projects. So just to break it down for you guys, once again, I mean, this right here is incredible. This is literally just phase one. All right. So Killer Whales, okay, it is live. We're talking about bigger podcast guests. We're talking about the Hello Club incentives. They are coming up. And the content, you guys, is not only inform, but reward the Hello community. I mean, that is the overall goal here. All right. If you guys are interested, especially whenever it comes to the token, you can buy this on a lot of different exchanges. We're talking about Coinbase. You can even buy it right here on the website, right here, Buy Hello. I want you guys to understand, I mean, they have future token rewards. I mean, for engaging with Hello Club, right? So token rewards technically through incubated partners, kickbacks to Hello holders, which is pretty cool. And then they even have a lot more. They're going to be expanding partnerships with projects that they incubate. So these projects have token generation events, and participants in the Hello Club can actually do quests to earn or create content and actually earn rewards. So basically, you're going to be rewarded for, helping gain exposure, right, for this stuff, right, incubators. And you guys, we're talking about one place to learn, earn, and stay ahead of the Web3 narratives. So once again, you guys, a lot of opportunity here, okay, which is actually pretty cool. As we briefly mentioned, I mean, we have that token ed, so that's pretty big. This is being built out technically as a full suite of on-chain learning content, all right, which is great. They got weekly market updates that bring real-time context to narratives like DePIN, AI, and RWAs, which I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are interested in as well. And finally, guys, we have the Hello Club, as we kind of briefly talked about here. I want you guys to understand, I mean, this right here is pretty big, okay? So we're talking about tiers include booster rewards up to 166%, launch pad access, and higher airdrop rewards. So you guys can see, why do you want to hold Hello? Well, there's a lot of benefits here. As you can see, those rewards, looky there, up to 167, right? Launch pad, right? Deal flow access, so much here for Hello Labs. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. So if you want alpha before it hits the charts, start with Hello Media. As mentioned, you can tune in weekly following the spaces and explore the Hello token ecosystem. From where? Well, from the inside. To really get the perks of the ecosystem and rewards, make sure you guys go sign up for what is known as the Hello Club the link is going to be down below. And not only that, you guys, but with the integration of widely accepted payment options like credit cards and bank transfers, especially you can get this now on, say, Coinbase through MoonPay and Revolt. Purchasing, you guys, Hello token has never been easier. So make sure you guys visit hello.one/buy-now. All right, check it out right now. The links are going to be down below. Leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think. Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next one.